In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Borderlands 3 split screen on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to set up split screen on Borderlands 3 on a PlayStation 5 or even an Xbox console, all that you have to do is first connect an additional controller. So this should be an obvious requirement. You will be able to connect an additional controller to your PlayStation 5 and assign a user profile. So immediately upon connecting the controller, you might see this prompt, and as long as you assign a user profile, you will be able to set it up. So once the controller has been properly connected and detected, all that you have to do is open Borderlands 3. In there, if you are playing on a PlayStation 5, press X on the secondary controller. If you are playing on an Xbox console, then you will have to press A instead. When you press X for PlayStation or A for Xbox, you will immediately load in on split screen. You can do this on the home screen, but I recommend doing it inside of a save. So just continue as any character and you will be able to get this done. If it doesn't work, first make sure that you assign a user profile to that secondary controller, and next make sure that your friend goes through the first missions. So save Claptrap and start the game. And after you are done with the initial missions, then you will be able to do split screen. So all that you have to do is press A or X on your secondary controller once you are inside of a save as any character, and you will be able to do this. So do the first mission, and with the additional controller, you will be able to assign a user account and press the secondary button. If it doesn't work, I recommend trying out different controllers, restarting the game, and making sure that you did assign the user profile. A lot of people skip that step, and because of this, it does not work. So you will be able to do split screen on PlayStation 5 and Xbox. For whatever reason, you cannot do it on PC, which is extremely unfortunate. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Borderlands 3 split screen PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.